Juice pours into the cup, rising higher and higher with each splash. The juice spills over the edge, dripping onto the wooden table below. The monkey claps happily, asking for more without stopping to look. The cup overflows completely, juice running everywhere around it. The monkey frowns, confused about why things suddenly feel wrong. He leans closer and finally looks inside the cup carefully. The pouring stops and the busy splashing sound disappears. The monkey takes a slow sip from the cup. He smiles, realizing the cup was already full all along.